10 seconds to go full throttle. So there we go, boost mode is on, we have 10 seconds, floor it. Viewers, it's time for a new video, and today we have, can you guess it? It is the all-new BMW I5, and this is the eDrive 40 model. So not the fastest, but definitely an amazing and beautiful spec electric car. So a German car. Let's see what this car is all about. There's a lots of wind today, so let's do a lot of voiceover. First of all, viewers, very important, this car is for sale at Qcarsgewelt in Rotselaar. So if you live in Belgium, Netherlands, or you want information on this car, here's the website. So a big thanks to them for lending me this beautiful car to review, and if you're interested in the car, all information is in the link in the description. And now let's move over to the specs. So very nice, if you unlock the car and you press the key to unlock it, the taillights will do something very nice, and also the headlights, but as you can see here, a little animation is going on, so that's very cool. Underneath of here we have a nice looking diffuser. We have M Performance rims, red brake calipers, and also two 75mm wide tires. Also love the 5 accent right there in the rear. There's also a very big rear window, blacked out, and a nice looking futuristic antenna. Moving over to the side and to the front, we have this beautiful chrome delete spec, and then we have also cameras for your 3D surround view in the mirrors. And as you can see, this beautiful Brooklyn gray color matches the car very nice. So also underneath, the skirts are blacked out. You have M badging right there, we have M Performance wheels, and then if we move over to the front, you can see the blinkers are, in my opinion, very nice. Now if you unlock the car again, you will see that the daytime running LEDs are dancing, and also the front grille is illuminated with an LED light bar around it. So as you can see, the lights dance a lot, and I think this is very nice because it makes the car more playful, and also love the blacked out grille. So very nice spec here, everything matches very nice with the paints and the colors, and I think this car looks very sporty, and they keep dancing, so I don't know how long they will dance. You also have your 3 cameras right there and your sensors, so to keep the car safe on the road. And then you have also this very nice scoop in the bonnet in front, but I think this car looks very sporty. So all blacked out, the chrome delete, nice blinkers. The boot space, we have 490 liters in the electric version. Now let's do something funny, let's look at the specs. So we have an eDrive 40 here, that means you get an electric motor at the rear, and you have an 81.2 kilowatt-hour battery pack. You have 335 horsepower out of that motor and 490 newton meters of torque. That means the car can jump to 60 miles an hour or to 100 kilometers an hour in 6.1 seconds, and has a top speed of 193 kilometers an hour. Alrighty viewers, interior, so let's just go through it. This insanely illuminated LEDs here, huge Apple CarPlay screen, huge digital display in front of us, and we also have, you will see later on in the driving, we also have this head-up display. Nice updated steering wheel right here, as you can see, with the airbag and these controls here, and then we have a boost mode. Also very important, let me be careful to check out the back of cars like these, because this is a family car, obviously. I'm 1.85 meters, and as you can see, lots of knee room, and this seat is adjusted in my position, so perfect. And then I can immediately see you have an USB-C charger, and then I don't know what this is here, but nice little storage thing or something, I don't know. Also illuminated LEDs, and then the same nice stitching in the seat belt, and then also your AC controls and 2 more USB-C charging ports at the back. So, and just amazing to watch this beautiful LED show going on. This is like a disco or everything, but I love that, it's very nice. Ready for the driving part, we have our stitched seat belts here with the M badging or the M stitching, very nice. So let's do some Apple CarPlay, there we go. As you can see, this is amazing, this is nice driving here. So very nice comfy seats, these I already mentioned this. So I started the car, let's put it in drive, and then I love to do the regenerative braking, so put it in B, as you can see right here. So let me zoom in a little bit, this thing is now in B here, so B stands for brake. So just up, you push this button and you can as you can see, also 3D surround system here is so convenient. Just put it back in drive and there we go. So let's get out of the way here. And then you can see there the head-up display. So normally you should see this with my camera, I'm not for sure, but let me check it out. So normally you can see this, okay? So this is amazing driving. So you can put it in B, as I already mentioned, and there you go. So I'm not braking, and as you can see, it's slowing down the car a lot. So that's very nice. You can see here I'm driving with my camera in the front, so also pretty cool. And then let's see what we have next. I'm also checking out, oh, you have your range also if you want to, and then your fuel consumption and everything, or just your speedometer in the middle. So I'm now coming up at the part where it's 70 kilometers an hour, so let's test that. Very gentle driving. This is a very bad road, so bad surface, and this thing is smooth as butter. It's amazing. It's also warning me that I'm going over the speed limit, and as you can hear, it's very quiet. So this is one of the baddest roads you can get, I think. Yeah, okay, you can also get potholes and everything, but this is very, very nice and smooth driving. I mean, just look at, wow, this is crazy. Picking up your kids from school or everything, and also testing out the regenerative braking. There's no one behind me, so let's go. Here's the brake. Just letting go of the throttle, and there you can see brakes very good. So this is a very good regenerative braking, as you can see here. Maybe also nice to do a little pull with the boost mode. So let's try this thing out. We can do 70 kilometers an hour here, so no one behind me. Let's just try for 30 and then put this. You have 10 seconds to go full throttle. And 70, there we go. So this is pretty quick, and this is very, very nice. We have this Hans Zimmer sounds. I saw this on CarWow, that Hans Zimmer is making this crazy cool orchestra sounds, but that was very nice actually, the boost mode. So let's play with that more when you go to a freeway. Also really nice, if you go to my modes here on the central console, you can change what do you want. So digital out, for example. Whoa, everything is changing here. Check this out. And if you have different sounds. Audio guide starting. Okay, I don't know what that means, but let's try another one. Let's play with the most expressive. Woo! Listen to that. Okay, let's do relax. Oh, I know. So the sunroof is or the moonroof is going dark. Okay, let's try the accelerator. Very funny of BMW to do these things. Then efficient, maximal actual. So this is the most range that you can get. So let's check this out. Oh, there is no sounds. Okay, so now it's saving up a lot of battery. And on the sport mode, everything is also turning red normally. So as you can see, also the LEDs here is turning red, and then your head-up display is also changing this. So as you can see, if you put your foot down, you can see your power output. So, but you can change it obviously. So, but the sound is the same. Crazy things here. All right, viewers. So it's time for our 0 to 60 right here. Are we ready? We'll push the boost mode. Here we are in sport mode. So there we go. Boost mode is on. We have 10 seconds. Floor it. There we go. And there we are. 100 kilometers an hour. We can do 120 here, so very nice. Okay, that was the boost mode. So actually very nice. And also this is very important because highway driving, let's hear the road noise or the wind noise. It's utterly silent. This is German engineering, so we have lots of silence here, and wow, this is just perfect. You can cruise here. So if we put it back in efficient mode, as you can see, wow, this is insane because it's floating over the highway. You can feel it. The steering wheel feels very, very great. But then if you put it back in sport mode, it firms up the suspension. So let me slow a little bit down and try the boost mode again for if you want to overtake. That's an important one. So let's just go to 100, for example, and then boost mode. You have 10 seconds. Yeah, that's a perfect amount of speed. That's a really good amount of speed here. So that's very good. That's actually amazing because this is the eDrive 40. So I already mentioned the specs, but this is plenty of power. Actually, if you're just if you're not that petrol head, or you're not, yeah, petrol head, it's electric obviously, but if you're not that interested in driving fast, this is more than you need obviously. So amazing. And also check this out, entertainment. I can put my radio louder and also more silent, so very nice. The highway driving of the BMW right here, the i5, is very nice and convenient. Alrighty viewers, this is it. The BMW i5 is returned here to Qcarsgewelt.com. So this is the website again. This car is for sale right here at their showroom and everything. So they have lots of nice cars. Please check out their website, and thank you to them for lending me this beautiful BMW in this beautiful spec. So thank you for watching viewers, and I see you in the next video. And don't forget to buy merch. Ciao.